Ay, Robert, pasagot naman ito, oh.
Ano ba yan? Oh, logarithms again. Okay. Tanong, naalala mo pa ba ang mga laws of logarithm, mga properties?
Hindi po.
Ayun ang magiging problem natin. Kaya, so paano natin gagawin? So you need to recall. So let's write down the different properties that you have to remember. So number one, when you have a logarithm x base a minus log y base a, this will be equal to log of x over y base a. So ibig sabihin, the difference of two logarithms with the same base will be equal to the single logarithm of the ratio ng mga arguments. So pag minus, actually, magiging quotient. Pagka plus to, magiging product naman nila. Second, log of x to the n base a. The exponent of the argument will become your coefficient. N times log x base a. Okay, paano natin sagutin ito? So log of cube root of x squared minus log of square root of x. So the first thing that we have to do, you're trying to combine this into a single logarithm. Pag wala nakasulot na base
10.
base 10. That's called the common logarithm. Okay, very good. So, dahil minus siya, anong gagawin natin? Di ba, magiging ratio na siya. Log cube root of x squared over square root of x. Next thing that we have to do is we have to convert the radical to a rational exponent. Okay?
Okay.
Paano pa-convert ng radical to a rational exponent? Try to recall ulit. Let's say x to the m in nth root. Ano mangyayari dito? This is the same thing as x raised to the m over n. So kaya dito, ibig sabihin natin dito is cube root of x squared, di magiging raised to the
2/3.
x to the 2/3 all over square root of x magiging
X raised to 1/2.
1/2. Now, pag division, loss of exponents, anong gagawin natin sa exponent?
Subtract.
We subtract. So kaya log of x to the 2/3 minus 1/2. We can rewrite this now to log of x to the blank over 6 minus blank over 6. Ano siya naging 6 yung denominator? Times 2. X sa taas, dalawa. Ilan na ngayon?
4.
Apat. So 2, 6. That means, hinati sa tatlo ang bawat slice. So pag 1 dito sa taas means
3.
4 over 6 minus 3 over 6 ay magiging, ano na, that's now become 1/6. Now, what can we do with the exponent of 1/6? Just like what we have written here, exponent n, magiging
Coefficient.
coefficient. So kaya itong 1 over 6, bring down natin siya as coefficient. So 1 over 6 log x. Kaya ang answer dito ay si letter A. Kuha na ba natin?
Yes, kakayanin ko na yung UFCAT.